those that can come back home and vote should actually do so. But for those that can't come home and vote, I know these are people who have been bringing support to their families back home. They should be able to encourage those that they support who are of the voting age to really vote here at home. But with time, once People First is in government, we'll make sure that everything will be sorted out so that wherever they are, they should be able to vote. Why is it that nationalities of other countries vote whilst they're in Zimbabwe and they post their votes to their different countries? That should also happen with our own people. They will be able to vote wherever they are going to be, and they post their votes back home. That should happen. Why not?